Night time took us back to Mount Rushmore and a lighting up ceremony. This is the auditorium where we'll take our place for the illuminating of the President's faces, ending with the playing of the Star-Spangled Banner.
Dearly for our freedom of choice in this year of our Lord, 1776. We all must pay.
Although we had 2 days to go back in Billings, this was without question the final highlight of our trip, and what a stirring event to finish on.
You are part of Washington's unborn millions, but the burden has not been lifted. Each generation leaves a legacy for the next. 4 faces on a mountain, each reflecting part of what America was and what it can become, if we are willing.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and sing together our national anthem.